On today's menu, a delightful recipe that you'll absolutely love. Buddha's Delight. Lehoma, I'm Will Young from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. And of course, Gong Hei Fa Choi. That's Happy New Year in Cantonese. Chinese New Year, of course. And this dish that we're going to make today is one of my absolute favorites. And of course, it's very simple to make. Right, so there are actually quite a few ingredients, but don't feel intimidated because the cooking process is actually very, very simple. First off, we just need to rehydrate some of these dry ingredients. Bring a good amount of water to boil for the dry ingredients. 6 dry shiitake mushrooms. 5 grams woodear mushrooms. 35 grams bean curd sticks. Hot water. Rehydrate the ingredients for about 10 to 15 minutes. So while those things are rehydrating, we're going to chop our veggies. Chop down about 100 grams of broccolini into bite-sized pieces. Two small carrots, roughly chopped. 1 red bell pepper, roughly chopped. $70 grams water chestnuts, chop in half. 100 grams nappa cabbage, roughly chopped. Six tofu puffs, chop in half. Remove the rehydrated mushrooms and rinse under cold water. Chop down the woodear mushrooms. Remove the stalks on the shiitakes and chop them in half. Half tablespoon potato starch, 1 tablespoon mushroom water, stir, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Give it a stir and your sauce is ready. Saute pan, medium heat. Good drizzle of olive oil, peppers, saute for a couple of minutes. Add in and saute the broccolini for a couple of minutes. Nappa cabbage, water chestnuts, half cup chickpeas. Saute for a couple of minutes. Alright, so chickpeas are not traditional in Buddha's Delight, but I really like them and they add just a little bit of meatiness to the dish. 1 cup corn, rehydrated ingredients, tofu puffs, Add in 1 cup of the mushroom water. Sauce. Saute for a few more minutes until the sauce is nice and glossy. Plate. You can now make this delightful dish with absolute confidence. Man, this is truly a delightful plate. Literally, look at that. That is excellent. Just so simple, so humble, yet looks incredibly beautiful. Has amazing colors, and that sauce is just, everything soaks in that sauce and just absorbs it. Really delicious, kind of light tasting, salty kind of soy sauce that is slightly thickened up by the potato starch, so that it just glazes and makes everything really glossy. And the veggies are just perfectly cooked. The rehydrated ingredients are some of my favorites, especially the bean curd sticks, the cloudier or woodear mushrooms. Just gives that really delicious sort of crunchiness that's so unique. And of course the dry shiitake mushrooms, so incredibly meaty, chewy, and of course it absorbs all of that sauce like no tomorrow. You have the nice al dente kind of crunch from one of my favorite ingredients, of course, the broccolini, and the tofu puffs also absorb an incredible amount of that delicious soy sauce. The nappa cabbage adds into the delightfulness, the chickpeas adds into the meatiness, and the corn just adds a little bit of that sweetness. Really, really delicious. Have this with a side of freshly steamed rice, and man, this is an absolute, literal delight. I absolutely love just this abundant plate of deliciousness, and every ingredient has a different texture, a different flavor, and of course just adds into this harmonious, colorful plate. I said it before and I'll say it again, it really is just a plate of delightfulness. Absolutely amazing. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome, I'm glad you're here. Be sure to pick up your free ebook that I've put together just for you that has 5 super easy, unintimidating, plant-based recipes to help you get started with cooking today. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out. Plus, in that same link, you can also check out more information or get your signed copy of the Vegan Ramen Cookbook. You can also check this out in that same link in the description box below. Of course, as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.